Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Eachine come out with a new totally evolved drone, Eachine E520S and E520. I got the version E520S with built-in GPS and 1080p camera on the front. Thanks to Banggood for sending me this drone. I will put all the links down below just for you to check them out. Banggood also left me a coupon code for 6% off. And the best part is that with a coupon code you can get this drone for 70 bucks. It is a must buy that you will never regret. You who are watching this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome videos just like this one. And also click the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming reviews. I am watching you. Eachine E520S is the best 4K GPS foldable drone under $100. And also, it looks very similar to the original DJI Mavic 2. As you can see, they have a lot of similarities. But this one is 10 times less expensive than this one, so you should definitely take a look at this drone. I have to say that I am really excited to test this thing out. But first, let's see what's in the box. Propeller guards, controller, extra propellers, and finally the drone itself. The drone is very compact and it unfolds. First, let's go flight and see how it performs. With foldable arms, small size, it is very easy to carry around. The camera of this drone is 1080p with FOV of 120 degrees. It has adjustable angle and it records on microSD card. The drone has auto takeoff button. Now you can really see how stable this drone is. The speed of this drone is almost 40 km per hour. And the best thing is that the drone controls are very responsive. With 5G or 2.4G Wi-Fi, the drone can be connected to the app on your phone and have a real-time video transmission. Now, let's watch some drone footage.
She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em full up. She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em up. She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em full up. She put the lime in the coke and now she got the coconut starter. Ain't there nothing I can take a set starter. Leave his belly, leave his take a set starter. Ain't there nothing I can take a set starter. Leave his belly, leave his take a set. had another one, she paid it borderline. She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em pour up. She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em up. She put the lime in the coke and now she drank 'em pour up. She put the lime in the coke and now she called it done. The coconut starter, ain't there nothing I can take a set starter. Leave his belly, leave his take a set starter. Ain't there nothing I can take a set starter. Leave his belly, leave his take a set.
Now, let's test the drone flight time. 7.4 volt 1200 mAh battery will get you a hover time up to 14 minutes. I got the version with 5G Wi-Fi, which is able to get anywhere around 150 meters to 250 meters, while 2.4 GHz will get you around 50 to 70 meters of range. After the drone loses signal, it automatically returns home to the takeoff position. Hello, I am here again. After each test I was amazed of its flying possibilities. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!